What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best fitness trampoline. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the JUMPSPORT 250 Fitness Trampoline. Where fitness meets fun, there, JUMPSPORT 250 Fitness Trampoline comes in. It looks tough and feels sturdy. That's the reason it grabs the first place on our list. The trampoline comes with padded pedal mat design which offers 1030 square, bouncing surface. You can flawlessly jump from side to side and back to front over the large surface. It features patented arched legs that provide stability so that you can step up with confidence. The legs won't tip over, which assures optimum safety. You can even do high-intensity training with proper balance. The trampoline offers high-quality deep bounce for extreme performance. Its Enduralast 2 bungee cord makes the trampoline stronger that lasts 2 times longer. Also, it features adjustable patented bounce tension settings. You can easily adjust the tension for individual weight and performance requirements. Besides, its padded pedals cords cover offers extra exercise space with safety. The price is compatible with the features. Have a look over the store and grab your one now. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Stamina 36-inch folding trampoline. Consider Stamina 36-inch folding trampoline for a safe, effective, and fun way to improve cardiovascular health. It provides a supportive balance to enhance coordination. The trampoline features a polypropylene mat that supports up to 250 pounds. This folding trampoline comes with a safety pad covers that assures safe bouncing. It helps to increase your stamina. It has 30 tension band which is adjustable for different weight and cardio plan. These tension bands ensure a steady and gentle motion with each bounce. Also, it includes 6 detachable rubber-tipped legs to protect your floor from scratching. The trampoline is equipped with a padded safety skirt to protect your feet and fingers from injury. It has a 36 diameter rugged steel frame along with the large jumping surface. Additionally, the Stamina 36 inches trampoline is foldable for easy transportation and storage. So, don't worry if you have limited space in your home. Surprisingly, the price is extremely reasonable. At number 3, we have the Stamina INTONE Oval Jogger. The most exclusive design and a well-organized trampoline from Stamina. An ultimate workout trampoline for tracking the jump details. Exercising is fun and more accessible in Stamina INTONE Oval Jogger. The unique about INTONE trampolines is that it comes with a multi-functional electronics fitness tracker. It keeps tracks your jumps per minutes, total workout time and jumps, and calories burned. The Oval Jogger also includes 2 resistance bands to provide you a solid upper body workout. The band has padded handles for comfort. You can use the cord for rows, curls, and especially to strengthen your arms, shoulders, and back. Like the previous one, it has an extended foam-covered handlebar which is adjustable with user height. The handlebar helps you to get the balance and variation in a cardio workout. Most importantly, it includes a large jumping surface for more varied workout and enhanced stability. Its optic blue border allows you to jump inside the rebounder spot. Indeed, it's an excellent choice for both beginners and professionals. You only need a small space in your home because it is easy to set up and store the trampoline. The price is also within your range, so try this out. At number 2, we have the JUMPSPORT 220 Fitness Trampoline. Another JUMPSPORT edition in the list which is popular among fitness enthusiasts and home users. It is fun and useful for total body workout. So, take advantage of fun exercise. It comes with an extended mat skirt along with 882 square bouncing surface. You can enjoy jumping from side to side and back to front over the large surface. So, step up with confidence. Its patented arched legs assure the stability and safety during extreme jumping. Even you can feel proper balance during high-intensity training. Its 30 premium Enduralast 2 cord ensures the toughness and durability. This best fitness trampoline provides a smooth bounce in extreme low-impact workout so you can reach your fitness goal. The rubber cap on the legs saves the trampoline from slipping and scratches over the surface. In short, it is perfect people of all ages. It helps to relax you while providing the benefit like Zumba and all other high-intensity workouts. JUMPSPORT is indeed a great addition to any home exercise equipment. And finally at number 1, we have the Stamina INTONE Plus Rebounder. The last stamina trampoline with a full bouncing surface. The multi-purpose Stamina, 348-inch INTONE trampoline, is highly recommended for its sturdy construction. Like previous Stamina trampoline, it includes a multi-functional electronic monitor. It can track jumps per minute, total jumping duration and workout time, and calories burned. So you can stay motivated and maintain a good workout session. Also, the Stamina INTONE features 2 resistance tube band with foam handles for upper body strength training. The trampoline has a heavy-duty polypropylene bouncing surface which can endure rough uses. Besides, it has an optic blue border on edge to keep your workout safe. Additionally, the safety pad keeps your feet and finger safe if you fall accidentally. The foldable, sturdy steel frame maintains proper balance and assures safety. Amazingly, this is probably the lowest prices trampoline on our list. So, hurry up, check the store before the stock is over. Thanks for watching and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.